In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kern in Canva. Kerning is an essential aspect of typography that can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your designs by adjusting the space between individual letters. Whether you're working on a project for personal use or for professional presentation, understanding how to effectively kern can truly make your text stand out. So let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step. First, let's navigate to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to either create a new design or open one of your recent designs that you're currently working on. For our tutorial today, I'm going to jump into a previous design to demonstrate the process. Once your design interface is open and ready, we'll move on to the next step. Now, with your design in front of you, the next thing we need to do is select the text you wish to kern. Simply click on the text box in your design. This should open up a variety of formatting options that Canva offers. By clicking on the text, you're informing Canva that you want to make adjustments specifically to that element. After selecting your text, you will see a toolbar either above your canvas or on the side of your screen, depending on the interface. Find and click on Advanced Formatting. This is the section where you can tweak and fine-tune your typography settings to achieve the precise look you're aiming for. Advanced Formatting gives you access to more detailed adjustments beyond the basic text options. Next, within the Advanced Formatting window, you'll want to switch over to the Typography tab. This is where you'll find the tools specifically dedicated to adjusting the visual aspects of your text, including kerning. Once you have navigated to the typography options, look for the kerning toggle. You should now see a toggle for kerning. Turn this on to adjust the space between your letters. Take your time playing with this adjustment to see how increasing or decreasing the spacing affects the overall look of your text. Remember, the goal of kerning is to enhance readability and improve the design's visual harmony, so make sure it complements the rest of your work. If it's your first time kerning, it might take a little bit of practice to get a feel for the perfect adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully kerned your text in Canva, enhancing the visual appeal of your design. Remember, good typography is crucial to compelling visual communication, and incorporating kerning into your design toolkit will undoubtedly elevate your creative projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to create even more beautiful designs in Canva.